These are pretty steep to walk up. Oh my good God. Oh. I'd have just jumped down off that. I might have to swim across. It's a nice little lake. Am I supposed to be out here? Yeah, right. They're not the ones out here. I am. That dam's pretty cool. If I don't know I can make it. If you fall down there, it's gonna hurt like hell. Better grab something. Yeah. Let's see what this one looks like when it goes off. Might be a human being. He wouldn't feel it after about the third hit. Oh, somebody's been graffitiing it out here. Man, look at this lake. This is beautiful. Yeah, I'll get out to the waterfall. Hope this thing stout doesn't break on me. Man, look at that. Oh yeah. That's rushing pretty good. Yeah, I don't think a person would survive going down there. Yeah, I'll let you know where the town this is. I ain't got a clue.